everyone, and welcome to the 2023 AMC test. So we're going to do questions 21 to 25. So the first question says, Peter wants to buy a length of ribbon to wrap around a box as shown. The box is 20 centimeters long, 20 centimeters wide, and 20 centimeters high. It takes an extra 80 centimeters of ribbon to tie the bow. What is the best estimate of the amount of ribbon that Peter needs to buy to tie around the box? So first, we have the box, and in step 1, you see, so this is the box, and it goes around like here. So that'd be 1, 2, 3. That'd be 3 of 20 centimeters, which is 60 centimeters. Next, we see in step 2 that one of the strings goes under and the other goes around. So let me do it in blue for the other string. It goes around, while this one goes up. So that'd be another 1.5. So it would be 1.5. So that would be 30 centimeters. So it's now 90. Next, in step 3, the blue ribbon or red ribbon in the pictures, it goes all the way around the edge. So it goes here. So that would be another 60 centimeters. So then from 90 to 150. Then in the 4, it goes near the corner, and then goes under, and it goes on the opposite side where it goes above from the other one. So it's pretty straightforward. So you're tucking it underneath. So right here you're over here and tucking it there. So that'd be around like plus another one, which is plus another 20 centimeters, which is 170. Then when we're doing the bow tie, you need 80 centimeters. So that will do a total of 250. But the closest one to 250 is 240. And the answer to 240 is C. So C's the answer. So the next question is question 22. And also, for some reason, this question is a bit off. So let's just stick with the actual answer. So in week 1, Hamish and Alyssa opened bank accounts for their savings. Hamish saves $12 every 2 weeks, starting in week 1. Alyssa saves $32 in week 1, and then $4 every week after that. When will they first have the same amount of money in the bank? Now, when you're doing this, whoever printed it out, they made it a bit wrong, because there's supposed to be $12 that Hamish saved in the first week. So let's make a chart about that. So we have Hamish and Alyssa. And here's week 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. So let's do week 3. So Alyssa will have $32 in week 1, and Hamish would have $12 in week 1. So in week 3, Hamish would have 24, since he saves $12 every 2 weeks. And Alyssa would have $2 per week. I mean, you get $4 per week. So that would be $8 in 2 weeks. So that would be 40. Then for week 5, Hamish would have $36 and Alyssa would have $48. In week 7, Hamish would have $48 and Alyssa would have $60. No, $56. Then week 9, Hamish would have $60 and Alyssa would have, so let's calculate, so 56 plus 8, so that'd be 64 in week 9. Then finally in week 11, which is the last answer, Hamish would have $72 and Alyssa would also have $72. So 11 must be the answer. So let's scroll down. So 11 will be the answer. And 11 is also equal, if you look up here, it would be E. So 11 is equal to E. So E must be the answer. The third question says, a different whole number is placed in each corner of a square. 2 numbers joined by an edge must have a difference of more than 1. When the four numbers are added together, what is the smallest possible total? So let's have our 4 circles. And we need the lines that connect between the circles. So the simplest way is 10 with 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put 1 here. And you can't put 2 in this one or this one. So you must put 2 here. We can't use 3 here because 2 and 3, that's a difference of 1, not more. So we must use 4. And same here, we can't put 3 here, so we must use 5 because 4 is already taken. So now let's add them up. 1 and 4 is equal to 5. 5 and 2 is equal to 7. So if we scroll down, 5 and 7 is equal to 12. And 12, if you scroll up, is equal to C. So C is the answer. So the fourth question says 3 whole numbers add to 21. When these same three numbers are multiplied together, they equal 280. What is the smallest of these three numbers? So let's say something like 4, because it's also in the options as well. So let's add something, but since it equals 21, the two other numbers must equal to 17. Let's try 6 and 11. Well, they equal to 21, but they do not equal to 280 when you're timesing them. So let's add more, since when you do it, it's less. So let's put these inputs back. And let's do 7 and 10. That equals to 21, but it also equals to 280. So this is our winning move. Also, I'm just noting that all these numbers are in the answers. Anyways, the smallest of the numbers is 4. It's 4. And 4 is equal to C. So C must be the answer. So the last question says, Stephen made this cube from a paper net, then pushed a pin through it as shown. He then removed the pin, leaving holes in the cube, and then folded the cube back to its net. Which of the following could be the net of Stephen's cube? So let's pretend we're choosing D. So if we were choosing D, let's draw this. And you can see I then drew these other poking things, because we'll get to them later. So the dot you can see in the diagram is shown here. So if we were folding that, so this would be the front, this would be the back, this would be the back, so this is the bottom, and this is the top. And if you're folding it by the center square in the cross, then the dot, so you would have folded it to here. And if you folded the other two, you'd have gotten one here, another one on this side. And then, if you poke the needle through again, you'd see that it matches. So D would be the answer. So D is the answer. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.